Welcome back everyone, JB here from 747 Fishing. Today we are out on the boat out in New Zealand on the South Pacific doing some bottom fishing for snapper when I suddenly hooked up on something really big.
Oh yes. Yeah. Nice.
Oh, that's a goodie.
Glenn, if you could do me a favor, you could just give me my GoPro is lying on the middle console. Nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, just put it on my head. Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
Turn it on.
Right. Thank you.
Yes, a beautiful day, no wind, perfect condition, and we had already caught quite a good number of gurnet and snapper. That was our target fish for the day, and this fish was giving me a really good workout. It was all the time the question, is it a big snapper, is it a big kingfish or a good sized kingfish, or is it a shark? Yeah, just keep watching the video and you're gonna see what it is. Fishing with a 30-pound bottom setup.
That's not a snapper.
I'm glad I changed my leader in the morning before even starting fishing and opted for a leader with 100-pound monofil material and some 4-oar hooks. Yeah, glad I put this on and not one of the rigs that we usually use, but is on 60-pound leader. So this is a 100-pound leader, and pretty confident with that
the
leader
line
on.
again that I just got him off him.
The rod I'm fishing is a German Balsa Naturköder Rute. That's the name of the rod. I was involved in creating that rod, so it's basically my dream rod, where I picked the blank, the rings, everything on that rod. And she was originally made to fish in Norway, some deep water fishing, and nowadays I'm fishing this rod in New Zealand, and yeah, she does very well in New Zealand as well.
That's a snapper is huge. Okay, we're coming close.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Ah, that's not a snapper. Why, those head shakes are more like a snapper. Oh, he's just stealing the line again that I just got him off him. Oh yeah. Yeehaw! He's doing some solid head shakes. Five, that's a snapper, is huge. Okay, we're coming close.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the last 20 meter. Whew. That was a good workout. Yeah, but I don't. Oh, it's a kingy. Good. Well, I think he's a keeper. See, he already looks like a keeper. That deep down there, then he is one. Got your gaff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice.